Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 12.1. Question number third. That question is find the value of. Question number third. First part is find the value of in the bracket 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 inverse means 4 raised to power minus 1 into 2 raised to power 2. You find out the value of the given expression by using the law of exponent. In this question, first of all, you simplify the bracket. You get in the bracket 3 to power 0 that is equal to 1. Any base has power 0, then that value is 1. Like a to power a to a raised to power 0 that is equal to 1. Plus 4 inverse is written as 1 upon 4. Means here is power negative and I want to convert this in a positive, then I write it 1 upon 4 into 2 raised to power 2, that is 2 into 2. 2 into 2. You get in the bracket 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 4. That is 5 upon 4 into 4. When 4 is cancelled by 4, you get 5. This is the value of this expression 3 raised to power 0 plus 4 inverse into 2 raised to power 2. Okay? Like this, you also solve another questions. And I want to solve third part, that is 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2, 1 by 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2. You simplify and find the value. First of all, you convert all the negative exponent into positive exponent. Then you write it 2 upon 1 to power 2 plus 3 upon 1 to power 2 plus 4 upon 1 to power 2. By using log of exponent, a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 upon a raised to power n. Then 2 by 1 that is equal to 2 means 2 square plus 3 upon 1 that is equal to 3 square plus 4 by 1 that is equal to 4 square, and you write the value of 2 square that is 4, 3 square that is 9 and 4 square that is 16. You get 16, 9, 25 and 25 and 4, 29. It is your answer. Question number third, fifth part. Find the value of in the flower bracket, in the small bracket minus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2, then flower bracket close raised to power 2. You find the value of the given expression by using log of exponent. You write down in the flower bracket minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 2. When you convert this power, or you use the exponent laws, when e raised to power m is raised to power m, then that's value is e raised to power mm. By this law, you write down minus 2 upon 3 raised to power minus 2 into 2. You get minus 2 upon 3 to power minus 4. Then you write down it in a positive exponent. You get minus 3 upon 2 raised to power 4. That is equal to minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 upon 2 4 times. You get when minus is multiplied in even times, you get plus sign, means this product is positive, and then you multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. You get 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 3 is a 81 upon 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. This is your answer. Minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. Then you write down the question. Question number 5. 5 to power m divided by 5 to power minus 3, that is equal to 5 to power 5. You find out the value of m. Then first of all you use the law of exponent for division. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power m, that is equal to a raised to power m minus m. Then you write down here 5 raised to power m minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to power 5. When you simplify this, you get 5 raised to power m plus 3, minus into minus plus, that is equal to 5 raised to power 5. In this expression, both sides bases are 5, means they are equal, therefore their exponents, their powers are also equal. Since bases are equal, therefore m plus 3 is equal to 5. Then m is equal to 5 minus 3, m is equal to 2. It is your answer. Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 12.1. Question number 4. First part is evaluate. First part, evaluate. Take inverse into 5 to power 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 4. Just you evaluate, means find out the value of this expression. In this question, first of all, you convert negative exponent into positive exponent. You write down 8 inverse, that is 1 upon 8, 5 to power 3, means 5 into 5 into 5 upon 2 raised to power minus 4, that is written 1 upon 2 raised to power 4. Then this is equal to 1 into 5 into 5 into 5 upon 8 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, 4 times. 2 to the 4 to the 8, it is cancelled here, and this is 5 5 the 25, 25 by the 125, and when this is divided by 1 by 2, this is equal to 2 by 1. This means 250. It is your answer. Okay. This second part is, what is second part? That is 5 inverse into 2 inverse in the bracket into 6 inverse. You find out the value. First of all, you convert all these into cos exponent. Write down 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 6. This is 1 upon 10 into 1 upon 6. That is 1 upon 60. It is your answer. Question number 7. First part is simplify. 25 into t to power minus 4 upon 5 to power minus 3 into 10 into t to power minus 8. You write down 25 into 1 upon t to power 4 upon 1 upon 5 to power 3 into 10 into 1 upon t to power 8. Then you write down 25 into 1 upon t to power 4 into 5 to power 3 into 10 into t to power 8. 5 5 the 5 2 the, and t to power 4 is cancelled here. You get t to power 4. Then 5 into 125 into t to power 4 upon 2. That is 625 upon 2 t to power 4. It is your answer.